I shall demonstrate how to assemble the Aesculap graspers and scissors. This particular method is demonstrating universal grasper. You can also use this for the Metzenbaum, the right angled and the Maryland. Universal grasper. Please ensure that it is not to be confused with the Karl Storz Johann grasper. There are different size models and the Karl Storz will not fit on this. So to begin with, you want to grab your metal sheath, and this particular edge, the flexible side, will go up through the edge of the insert. So it will cover the insert as shown. I'll try and keep that on camera. You can hear a faint click. It's gone all the way. You'll then grab your black sheath and cover it over both. It's not a click fit, it's only a small friction fit. Be aware of this, the sheath will slide and that will make attaching to the handle slightly difficult. There are two handles we use, the ratcheted click handle and the one without the ratchet. To begin with, you want to make sure both of these handles, you want to make sure these grey parts have slid out so the orange band is showing. For the sake of ease, it's probably easier to hold on to the edge of the grasper, but also not blocking off the moving mechanism. It is then as simple as pushing into the handle. You can hear a click from the handle. That means it's gone all the way through and the grasper functions. Shall now test that a little further away. So quickly to disassemble, pull the grey back. You can see the orange band there and the grasper simply pulls out. Demonstrate on the table. As you push through, the handle will adjust itself. Demonstrate with the ratchet, same principle. Oh, it's actually a bit wet. It'd be easier if I had the ratchet disengaged. There we go. So, just to side up the ratchet's disengaged, so it should move freely. Flip that. Ratchet is engaged, so it's easier to assemble when it's disengaged. Things to note: the reason why I say it's probably a bit easier to grasp it by the grasping edge, because holding it by the sheath, as you go to push through, you'll notice that the sheath has moved. This can be easily rectified by just simply pushing the grasper the rest of the way through. However, it's just an important thing to note. It's not only for us, but for theatres to be aware of. So if you see a theatre assistant claiming that it's not working, possibly suggest doing that, just to double check it's going through. And of course, to disassemble, simple as that. That concludes how to assemble an Aesculap.